Let's take a look at the question. There are two tables. So part A and part B, it shouldn't be that tough. But again, you still need to put on some thinking before you conclude. Now part A, write down the matrix B. Now what is B? B is represented by the price of tickets. Now if you look at the price of tickets, the information given to you is in row. So does it really mean that since the information is represented in row, therefore when I give my matrix B, it should also be a row matrix? Now, this is where a lot of students made mistake here. Now the clue is to really take a look at AB. Let's take a look at the product AB. What is the order then? So to know the order, I need to know what is matrix A. A is already given. A is a 2 by 4 matrix. So if I'm going to multiply A times B, what should the order for matrix B should be? Ask the following question. Did the question state the order of B? No, there isn't. So how do you know what type of matrix? Should it be column or row matrix? So the clue is to check the order for AB. So let's take a look at A again. A is a 2 by 4. So therefore, when I check the order for B, I will realize that I cannot write it as a 1 by 4. So I will have to rethink and write matrix B as a column matrix. This is the tricky part. Okay, we are at part C. By now, you should be able to find the product. So over here to describe, remember, we need to check the order of the resultant matrix, in this case AB. So you should be able to find AB and notice that AB is a 2 by 1 matrix, with the first row referring to Saturday and the second row referring to the data for Sunday. So when you put all this together, the number of tickets plus the price, so you should be able to derive the total amount collected from sales for Saturday and Sunday respectively. So again, take note of the words that is highlighted. So these are the keywords that you need to mention in your statement. Now for part D. Part D, it is easy because in this question, matrix C is already given. So be aware of such kind of matrix, because in certain cases, this matrix will not be given and you will need to know what kind of matrix to put together to find a product to give you the answer. So take note of this. Now, when you multiply, let's take a look at A. A is referring to the number of tickets. So when you put it together with matrix C, what will you get? What is the order of this matrix AC? For those of you, if you work it out, you should be able to see it is a 2 by 1 matrix. And putting it together, how should you describe? So this will give you the info that's leading to part E. Yes, for those of you who are able to identify, good for you. Yeah, you should see it is actually derived the total number of tickets sold on Saturday and Sunday respectively. Well done if you are able to answer this. So over here, I would invite you to note the difference between part C and part E. Note that part C is referring to the total amount collected, whereas for part E, it is referring to the total number of tickets sold. So note the difference. And with this, part F, it should be easy. Again, matrix E is already given. So when you put on the thinking cap, you ask yourself, I have E times D. So E is a 1 by 2 matrix, and I multiply together with D. And D is a 2 by 1 matrix. So therefore, with a 2 by 1 matrix and a 1 by 2 matrix, what do you think is the order of the resultant matrix? Yes, it is a 1 by 1 matrix. So again, this is nothing new. So remember to put a bracket. And with this type of question, again, you need to describe what it shows. So you need to conclude with the final statement. So therefore, matrix F is referring to the total number of tickets sold for both nights. Now take a look at F and E. E, you have to mention Saturday and Sunday respectively. Whereas for part F, it is for both nights. So this is how you actually differentiate using the keywords. So hopefully with this, you get to understand a little bit better. Do visit the entire video when necessary. Thank you.